Hi there, this is Raul from Clipfolio, and today we are going to be looking at learning how to create a PowerMetrics dashboard from scratch. We will create a website analytics dashboard that monitors how our website is performing. To get started, click on the plus icon and we will create a new dashboard. On the right here, you will see the configuration option and we can update our dashboard title. Also at the very top, you can see that we can insert a metric, image, or text. We will start by inserting some metrics that we already have in the library around website analytics. And these are the sessions, the average time on page, as well as the website bounce rate. Once we click done, you will see the three metrics on the dashboard, and you can sort of think of them as building blocks for this dashboard. Whenever we're creating a dashboard, we want to think of best practices, and one of them is to have summary data towards the top of the page, and as you scroll down, you have more detailed data. So with that in mind, what I would like to do is I would like to see the sessions data at the very top. So as you can see, I can resize and reposition the metric. The other thing that you will also notice is when I click on metrics, you have the configuration options update for this metric as well. And that allows me to do a few things. For example, since I want to see only an overview, I can remove the segmentation from this metric. I can also enable it so that I can see the values on the chart by toggling that option on. And this is perfect. I would also like to see the sessions data by channel, however. And so what I can do is I can duplicate this metric by clicking on the duplicate button at the top. And now, instead of showing this metric as a bar chart, I can show it as a pie chart. And I can rename this to provide a bit more context as well. And I can resize and reposition this so that I can get all my sessions data towards the top of the dashboard. The next thing that we're going to look at here is the average time on page. Now, this is a metric that informs me on how engaged my users are when they visit the website. And you can see that we are already visualizing this as a bar chart. And what I would like to do is update that to a line chart so that it is better represented in terms of a timeline. Again, we can remove the segmentation. And this is pretty good. However, this is actually breaking it down by month. And if I wanted a bit more granularity, I can choose whatever. And in this case, I'm going to choose week. And I can see that it is broken down by weeks here. And if I enable the values on the chart, I can see that it is actually fairly stable, and that is a good thing for the website. Last but not least, we are also going to be looking at the website bounce rate. Now, once again, here we are seeing the bar representation that tells me the trend over time, but what I'm really interested in is the absolute value. So to get that, I can choose the summary option, and that is going to give me the bounce rate at a glance. And that's it. So once I click on save, this is what the dashboard looks like. Now in future, if I do want to edit this dashboard, I can click on the edit icon there and I will be able to insert more metrics as necessary. The other thing I can do is also insert an image. And you might want to insert an image if, for example, you want to upload your company logo, for example, and that would give this report sort of a more refined, polished look. You'll also see that you can insert text, and this is handy if you want to use it as an annotation on an existing metric, or you can also use it as a title for your report. And you can title it and use the configuration options on the right to format it as you need to. And there you have it. That was a quick example of how you can use metrics to build a dashboard to give you a comprehensive overview of your website analytics. Bear in mind, you can do this with any set of metrics, and you can see that it was very quick to set up. You have access to all the visualizations, and your end result is a dashboard that better informs you based on those foundational metrics. We can take this a step further by also filtering it by the date range at the top, but you can also do more, so watch for a video around that in the future.